Oftentimes, customizing your user interface is a balance between minimizing clutter and having the right tools accessible when you need them. With SOLIDWORKS 2021, you no longer have to choose. To complete this part, we need to cut and pattern this sketch. However, the sketch and part color are similar. Changing these color settings has always been available, but in SOLIDWORKS 2021, a column of representative colors is shown, making it easy to find the item you'd like to change. Let's use a green color to make sketches more visible. Also new in SOLIDWORKS 2021 is the ability to collapse the command manager, allowing you to reclaim as much screen real estate as possible. Moving the quick access tools to the command manager further reduces extraneous icons and helps you focus on your design. All tools are still available using the tabs at the top of the screen, but a faster way to work is to use the S key keyboard shortcut. However, it doesn't yet have the pattern command we need. No problem. Simply search for the command, new to 2021, then drag and drop it on the shortcut bar. This is a convenient way to customize any area of the SOLIDWORKS user interface, including the heads-up display toolbar. Now that we've set up our shortcut bar, finishing our design is trivial. Notice how little the mouse must move to create this cut using the sketch, and then pattern it around this center hole. Making a mistake is easy to correct using undo. Now with SOLIDWORKS 2021, redo is more complete, allowing you to redo feature edits. This means that if you accidentally undo a feature, you won't have to spend extra time recreating it. With SOLIDWORKS 2021, you no longer have to find the perfect balance between user interface and access to the tools you need. Simply customize your workspace using these new enhancements so that you can focus on your design.